Today, we're breaking down the 6 best RAM kits for AMD Ryzen CPUs, and more importantly, keeps killing Ryzen performance year after year. This isn't a spec sheet flex. This is about real-world speed, stability, and not wasting your money. Stick around till the end because the #1 pick, but usually don't. Number 6. Corsair Vengeance LPX. Let's start with the safe, boring, reliable choice. This is low-profile DDR4 RAM that just works. No drama, no RGB, no clearance issues with chunky air coolers. Why it stands out? It's one of the most compatible RAM kits ever made for Ryzen, especially older 3000 and 5000 series chips. Real-world use, office work, light gaming, everyday builds that need stability more than flash. Overclocking headroom is fine, not great. Don't expect miracles. Buy this if you want zero headaches. Skip this if you're chasing max FPS or love tuning memory. Number 5. Kingston Fury Beast. This is the sleeper hit. It looks clean, it's priced right, and it punches way above what you'd expect. Why it stands out? Great performance per dollar, especially strong at DDR 3200 and 3600, Ryzen's sweet spot. Real-world use? Gaming rigs where budget matters, but performance still counts. Surprising pro? Rock-solid stability on Ryzen boards that hate finicky RAM. Who should buy it? Smart builders on a budget. Who should skip it? RGB addicts who want a light show. Number 4. Team Group T-Force Vulcan Z. This one doesn't get enough love. Aggressive timings for the price. Ryzen CPUs love low latency, competitive gaming, and productivity builds where responsiveness matters. The design is industrial. Let's call it functional. Buy this if you care more about performance than looks. Skip this if aesthetics are half the build for you. Now we're entering the zone where Ryzen CPUs actually start flexing. Number 3. G-Skill Ripjaws V. This kit has been quietly dominating Ryzen builds for years. Why it stands out? Consistent performance, excellent compatibility, and strong memory bins. Real-world use? Gaming, streaming, content creation. This is a workhorse. Surprising pro, it overclocks better than you'd expect for a non-RGB kit. Who should buy it? Anyone who wants predictable performance. Who should skip it? Builders chasing the absolute top end. Number 2. Corsair Vengeance RGB Pro. Okay, now we're mixing performance and style. Why it stands out? Optimized for Ryzen memory controllers and clocks beautifully at 3600 MHz. You're paying a bit for the RGB tax. Buy this if you want performance that looks good doing it. Skip this if RGB software drives you insane. Number 1. G-Skill Trident Z Neo. This is it, the gold standard for Ryzen. Why it stands out? Designed specifically for AMD Ryzen, excellent Infinity Fabric compatibility. Real-world use? High refresh gaming, heavy multitasking, and serious productivity. Surprising pro, it often delivers better real-world performance than higher-clocked kits with worse timings. Who should buy it? Most Ryzen 3000, 5000, and even AM4 holdouts. Who should skip it? Ultra-budget builds or DDR5-only systems. Budget build? Kingston Fury Beast. Clean and reliable? Ripjaws V. Best overall for Ryzen? Trident Z Neo. If this saved you from buying the wrong RAM, hit like. If you've got a Ryzen build or a RAM horror story, drop it in the comments. See you in the next one.